Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at iOS 12.2 Beta 3. This is build number 16E5201E, and this is the iPhone XS Max. First things first, one of our changes here is actually in the About section, and that is that all your information, your phone name, software version, model number, and serial number are all on the top now, instead of being down on the list. So the list, you now get songs, videos, photos, apps, your capacity, available storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth address, modem firmware, and that kind of stuff, as long as with your IMEI number on the bottom. And you can tap the software version and the model number to get the two different model numbers here, and your different your software version with the build number if you choose, and then your serial number. So that is actually the only UI change in settings that we have. Another one is that there is another change to the Apple TV remote. You can see on the bottom here we do have a change, as well as it says swipe to navigate right there, but we do have a change to the button layout down there. The menu button is now really big, especially on the iPhone XS Max, and it brings a darker theme to that as well, which is pretty nice. Hopefully we'll see a dark theme from Apple and maybe iOS 13. It looks like they're gearing up towards it, with a lot of the apps becoming darker in nature. But that's pretty much it for the actual physical changes. There are a couple bug fixes to the volume HUD, HUD. So when we have the ringer here, you can see the ringer volume now shows. Before in Beta 2 there was a bug where it would show volume. It would change your volume whether you had your volume set to change with the buttons or not. So if we go to sounds and haptics, you can see here the ringer is set to change with buttons. Before, when that was on, you would get the volume either way. It didn't matter, it would always change the volume. So that has been addressed as well. And that's pretty much it in iOS 12.2 Beta 3. Couple fixes, but some pretty significant ones, and some under the hood improvements as well. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.